what was Arnel to the...
This is a second event that we're holding following the Medellin Food Security Forum. Then we will train and grow farmers into the CCFA. I don't want you to... Alam mo sa mga kabawan ng sinipon? Kung ang ipon is meron kung winning the is within 24 months ang yakidad. Makayaw ang issue sa kaya kung kami pinitang tamusa, kayo ito mo, ay pali. Lumakay na tayo ng
process between the local animals and the Brahman, and as well as existing Brahman that's being inbreed during breeding that look like a native but actually it's an inbreed Brahman. So that's the
one ingredient to one another unite o kanang contribute on one.
We have the farmers of the existing animal, which give the ability to provide the hormones and the stimuli that the delight nutritions. Parinta kami available na yun. Pwede tayo na yun. Awa ba? Pwede. Awa na. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya pwede mag-supply ng mga baka sa kusaan at buhay na baka. That thing to happen. I don't think project now and really investing. Kita ko lang 1 month. 50,000 heads na heifers. Then we can start.
Saya mga kauban, si Sir Arnel. Kanatong tanan, may